Tonight is a special night. I was in the airport in New York when I noticed that my messages were piling up on my phone. And when I got around to checking them, maybe about 300 or 400 messages telling me congratulations from all over the world that Jamaica has won the Miss World competition. I felt I had won it because I'm getting all the congratulations. But I felt very proud at the moment. And it reaffirmed that Jamaica is not just a country of talent, but we are a country that do well with that talent on the international stage. Jamaica competed against 110 other countries. And when I look back at the competition, they were all very beautiful people, very talented people. But there was something special about Toni-Ann. A sincerity, an honesty that exuded itself, and a sense of purpose. And I believe that that is what determined your wearing the crown today.
I'm so grateful for this experience and to experience such a warm welcome home. I really can't believe it's me. But thank you. I'm honored. You know, it's one thing. You know, I'm humbled really to bring home this crown. But this crown, although it's so beautiful, represents so much more. It represents work that has to begin, that has to be done, and that I can't do alone. This video that you've watched, all the proceeds, anything that's donated from this video, anything that we make off of this, every single penny is going to go into the hands of the children that you've seen in this video and into the 10 and the other countries that we get to visit this year. And it gets to serve as a legacy. And we get to start that right here at home in Jamaica. Yes, it's so awesome. Passion